Get ready to meet the all-new Hyundai Creta, bold, confident, and built to impress. Hi, I'm Neeraj Thapar, Managing Director at Karma Hyundai. The new Creta grabs attention with its striking front grille, sleek LED lights, and muscular stance that turns heads wherever it goes. Step inside to experience a premium cabin with refined finishes, an advanced infotainment system, and seamless connectivity that keeps you in control. Under the hood, the Creta delivers refined performance with powerful engines, smooth acceleration, and excellent mileage. Whether driving through city streets or cruising the highway, it offers the perfect blend of comfort and confidence. The all-new Hyundai Creta is your statement of style, power, and personality. Experience it today at Karma Hyundai.